Hi, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to get started with Cider. So let's start in GitHub and we'll go into the repository, find our open pull request and have a look. So this pull request has already been manually reviewed. And if we scroll down, we have a CI tool that does checks for our pull requests. So let's start using Cider to help us with the code review. We'll start on the Cider homepage and click on sign up via GitHub. Add a new organization, choose where to install Cider and which repository, and hit install. So now let's set up our repository and choose our stack. Advanced settings would let us choose linting tools individually, and test mode would let Cider analyze your pull requests without blocking merge status. So let's click on Analyze Open Pull Request. It might take a little bit of time to find your open pull request. When it finally does, we can click on it, and that'll bring us to the Analyze Results page. This window will only pop up the first time you open it and explains how to resolve issues either by fixing them or closing them. So let's close it. So here, Cider is analyzing our pull request with the suggested tools. You can customize which tools to use in the Settings tab. So when the tools are done analyzing, Cider will display the issues. You can decide to comment, fix, or close the issue. If we go back to our repository and hit refresh, Cider will now be part of the checks. And we can also go into Cider by clicking on details. So that's all for now. If you'd like to learn more, please go to help.cider.review. Thank you for watching.